Today I'm going to show you all a nice thick creamy prawn curry recipe. Now this just tastes divine with some hot steamed rice. There are different styles of prawn curries, but today I'm going to show you all the Goan style. So now let's see how to do this.
For this you'll need some coconut, tamarind extract, ginger, garlic, green chilies, red chilies, cumin seeds, cloves, coriander seeds, coconut milk, onion, tomato, coriander leaves and some oil. So first I'm going to begin with adding some salt and some turmeric powder to the prawns. Here I've taken about 300 grams of prawns. Just mix them well. Next I'm going to dry roast few spices for the masala. For that I've taken about 4 cloves, a tablespoon of coriander seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, about 8 Kashmiri chilies. So I'm just going to dry roast these till I get a nice aroma. I'm also adding about half a cup of grated coconut to this and just roast them for a few seconds. Now I'm going to grind this to a fine paste. Now masala for the curry is ready. Now for the curry, I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of oil, and to this I'm adding a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. So just fry them well for a few seconds and then add about half a cup of finely chopped onions. So onions, you have to cook them till they are soft and a little bit golden in color. And then add about half a cup of finely chopped tomatoes. Now tomatoes should be cooked till they are nice, soft and mushy. So now I'm adding the ground masala. So now I'm just going to fry this for a few minutes. That's till the oil begins to separate from the curry and the raw smell goes, and that usually takes around 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm adding tamarind water to this. This you can adjust according to your taste. I'm just going to mix them well and add a little bit of water because the curry is a bit thick, so I'm just adding them to adjust the consistency. And now when this comes to a boil, add the required amount of salt for the curry and about a cup of thick coconut milk. So now just mix them well and then add the prawns. So prawns usually don't take much time to cook, they just take about 4 to 7 minutes depending on their size. Now these prawns take me just about 4 minutes. So I'm just going to add a little bit of coriander leaves and then I'm going to close the lid and cook them for just 4 minutes. So now our prawn curry is ready. And how do you know that the prawns are cooked well? When they are well curled up and they're nice white in color, it means that they are done.
Now I've made this curry a bit less spicier so that kids can have it. So if you like it spicy, you can add more chilies to this. So do try this recipe and enjoy this Goan style prawn curry, and I'll meet you all soon with more exciting recipes.